Hello, welcome to Side Networks. Look at the picture here on the left. The user in the green area would like to access um, a service in the internet in the blue area. Since internet is external to his local area network, he will need the gateway, which is configured on the SV1. What if SV1 was no more functional? Then no connectivity to the internet will be possible, right? To resolve that issue, we bring SV2 into place. But what do you observe here? He will either go over SV1 or over SV2. If SV1 was defect, then we need to manually change the gateway on his PC to point its direction SV2. To resolve that, we need a function, we need a protocol which allow us to configure a virtual IP address which will be used as the default gateway. No more the physical IP address configured on the switch virtual interface, SV1 and SV2. We need a virtual IP address. That will mean that SV2 and SV1 and SV2 will have to synchronize with each other anytime. So that if SV1 fails, the end user will not even realize that there was a failure in the network. The communication will directly flow over SV2 to the internet. To implement that, we need HSRP, Hot Standby Router Protocol, or VRRP, Virtual Router Redundancy Protocol. We can also use GLBP, okay? But SRP and VRP are the most that we use out there. They are those protocols that provide gateway redundancy to increase network availability. Their goal is to create a virtual router with a single virtual IP address and MAC address shared by multiple physical routers, ensuring that if one router fails, another router can take over its function automatically with minimal disruption. Okay, so and what if this was the active router and failed? What if it come back? If it's restored and the preempt option is configured, it will take over again. So to see how VRP and SRP are configured, get a look into my video, the simulation video in my channel, Say Networks, and ask question